Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix session expired in Fall Guys, then this is the right video for you. First, open Epic Games Launcher on your computer and then go to Library. From here, click on the three dots below Fall Guys and then click on Manage, then Verify. If that doesn't work, close Epic Games Launcher. Now search and open Command Prompt on your computer. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type in the following commands: ipconfig/flushdns. Then press Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/registerdns and press Enter. And then type in again ipconfig/release. Press Enter again. After that, type in ipconfig/renew. Then press Enter again. Now type in netsh space winsock space reset. Press Enter. Now close Command Prompt and search and go to View Network Status on your computer. From here, click on your Wi-Fi. Then click on Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now choose Use the following DNS server addresses and then put 8888 on preferred DNS and 8844 on alternate DNS server. Then click on OK. Now close everything up. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.